How to activate FNBO credit card online. Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel, How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can activate your FNBO, also known as First National Bank of Omaha credit card online. To do so, you will need to visit the official website of FNBO credit card. For that, you can open any web browser on your device and at the search bar type card.fnbo.com. Now press the enter button to search it. Within a while, you will be taken to the official website of FNBO credit card. Here, once you reach to this section, at the top, you will find this activate card button. Click on this activate card option and now you will be redirected to a new page. Here you will be given two options. If you have an online account, you can click on this login and activate button at the left side, and if you don't have an online account, you will need to first enroll on it. For that, you can click on this enroll and activate button at the right side. Now if you have an online account, go ahead and click on this login and activate button, and soon after doing that, you will be presented with the login interface on your screen. Here, log in with your credentials like using your user ID in this first box, and in the second box enter your password. Make sure to enter the correct password here. You may also click on this I button at the right side to reveal your password and check if it is entered correctly or not. You may also click on this little square that says remember me if you want yourself to be remembered for future logins. If in case you don't remember your user ID or password, you can also click on this forgot password or forgot user ID option at the bottom and recover your ID or password by following the prompts given to you. Now after you have entered all the details correctly, click on this sign in button right here to log into your account. And once you are logged into your account, you will need to navigate to the section for managing your credit card. Look for the options credit card or account services. And once you reach there, you will need to follow all the instructions to enter your card details such as your card number, expiration date, and the security code, which will be on the back side of your card. And after entering all the required information, submit the form, and then you should receive a confirmation message indicating that your card is now activated and is ready to use. So by following the steps, you should be able to activate your FNBO credit card online. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.